how to put transaction on hold in Remitly. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can put transaction on hold in Remitly. If you've ever been in a situation where you made an order or you made a transaction that you would like to change or put on hold, you can always do this by making use of your Remitly account. And how do you do it? First off, logging into your Remitly account. Once you're logged in, on the home page by the top part of the screen, you can see options like send money, transfer history, refer friends, and then by the right side, you can see a welcome address. Once you've seen this, click on it. After clicking on it, in the box displayed, you can see settings, redeem offer, help, sign out. Just go ahead and click on help. This is because for you to be able to put a transaction on hold, you would have to contact the customer service. So after clicking on help, yeah, I would advise you to search out articles. Instead, scroll down and click on chat so that you can chat directly with the customer support. So after clicking on chat, by the right side of the screen, the chat box will be displayed, and then your name and your last name must be the same as the name that you've added to your account already. Then once it's the same, click on start chatting, and then just like that, ask your question, tell them what you want to do, which is you would want to um put a transaction on hold. So type it out and then you'll be directed on what to do. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching and have a good day.